In this video you will hear some Trevor Henderson creature sounds. Some of them can be disturbing and can give you chills, even more if you imagine them encounter with you, because mostly of them are killer creatures. So let's get started. Day 17 is a gigantic entity. This being is one of the most tallest and most creepiest monster ever seen. How you can see, it's even taller than some clouds. Added to this, he can destroy easily buildings and houses, and it's basically immune to any kind of physical attack, which includes bullets or bombs. The god of roadkill is a monster that actually is capable of cause car accidents with fatal results, but he only causes this if it crosses his path with a person that have hit any animals on the road. Big Charlie is one of the cryptids that is currently confirmed that it doesn't hurt humans. He was managed to escape from a slaughterhouse, but it's probably the result of scientists' experiments made using what looks like a kind of sheep or bull. It is unknown now its current location. Bridgeworm will be a urban legend about a creepy monster with some resemblance to a worm, but a gigantic one, and he is also one of the most evil and cruel entities that exist. It is said that he habits inside dark bridges, and if you pass near one of them, he eventually going to start following you until your home. When you are in your home, he going to show you its real face. The face is very creepy and humanoid. He only show it before it is victim.
Now you will suffer. You will not escape this. You are now a fusion of us.
Cartoon Dog is an entity that shares a lot of similarities with Cartoon Cat, but being very cruel entities. It is said that they have escaped from a cartoon where they was the protagonist. It is said that in their cartoon they was kind and cute, but when they escaped, now they are capable of killing with too much hate to human race. Breaking News is a gigantic monster capable of destroying whatever crosses its path. It is said that it can cause interferences in electronic devices. It was first caught on TV news like a very devastating event. That's the reason why its name is Breaking News. Bonesword is a strange entity with humanoid appearance, well, at least in some bones. It can be seen on different dark places, usually likes to scare humans, but is not sure if it likes to killing humans. This sound is quite similar to some musical instruments. If there's someone, please comment. I really appreciate every comment, and I really like to talk about Trevor Henderson entities. So if you subscribe, you will see more of these kind of videos and even more in the future. Thank you so much.